Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who's new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is going to be the tutorial for the Masada wrap. Why am I calling this the Masada wrap? Because I'm wearing a tourist t-shirt, which is, let me just get up. This is my Masada Shall Not Fall Again tourist t-shirt, because I just felt like being comfortable and, you know, like that. So that is the only reason, and that's what we're gonna do. So this is how it looks, and of course, as always, this tutorial or this video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied everything that you're seeing here that is wrapping related. So yeah, this is a very simple wrap. You can do it with one scarf, or you can do it with 2 or 3, whatever you want, however much volume you want to pack on. You can do it with small shapers, big shapers, whatever you want. Maybe the overproof is too big, but you can certainly try. So let's just go into the tutorial and see what we can do about creating this look. Okay, sweeties, welcome to the tutorial part, and for that I'm going to start with the Sparklicious in green, which looks like this. It's obviously green and it has tiny little golden threads going through it. This is how it looks. So for securing my shaper, basically, I'm putting this down in a regal wrap. If you don't need that, then you don't need to do that. You can also, instead of using the sari scarves that I'm going to show you in a little bit, you can use, for example, a harmony scarf and do the whole thing in just one go, if you want to do that. So then you just use the harmony scarf now instead of this one here, okay? So anyway, I'm going to just put this down. And that really allows me to just secure my shaper, because I always feel once I have this one down, I don't have like problems with slipping or moving or anything, you know? So that's why I'm doing this. It just makes me feel more secure throughout the day. Alright, so this does not need to be super neat, because this part here is going to be covered. And if you're doing like a one scarf look, let's put it that way, with, for example, a harmony scarf, then of course you're just bringing up the harmony scarf till here instead of tugging it away like a regal wrap, and just tie a knot here, okay? So let me just bring this up and tuck it away. This is one spectacular scarf, sweeties. First of all, it's green and it sparkles. It does not get much better than that for me. All right, so now we have a regal wrap. Like I said, it doesn't need to be like super perfect or anything. Always, it does not need to be super perfect. We are all just humans, right? So now I'm going to take 2 sari scarves. You can do it with one, or you can do it if you want to go for super volume. You can still use a harmony scarf now and just sort of crunch it up and do the same thing that I'm doing right now. Or if you have the harmony scarf, you're already a step ahead of us. So, all right, so let's just do that. I'm using a sari scarf in blue, this one here, and I'm using one in green, which looks like this. So just be aware, if you're new to the whole wrapping community and to sari scarves, that each one of them can look a little bit different, because they're all like unique, you know, like we are. Okay, so now depending on how you want it, you just place them down next to each other like this. You cross them over in the back, and then you bring them back up like this. Now it depends what you want to do. I'm probably gonna just switch them around. So here I had the green first and then the blue. Now when I'm bringing them back up, I'm going to have the blue one in front and then the green one, just so the blue doesn't disappear. Something like that. Of course, it doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want. And then I'm taking both of them and I'm just going to tie a knot on the top of my head, like this. You see that they're both coming out to different sides, right? So this one comes to this side, this way. So I'm just taking this over and moving it to the back of this. And then I'm doing the opposite thing. This one that comes out to this side, I'm taking it over to the other side. Now, because these are sari scarves, this is gonna be looking a little bit wild which is nice. Like, I have no problem with this. Here, this of course belongs also to this side, so I'm just gonna tuck it in a little bit behind the knot, somewhere where it sort of feels like it's gonna fit. And again, this is a bit of a wild wrap. If you have something else that is a little bit more stiff and not a sari scarf with those fringy ends, it will look a little bit more put together and a little bit less wild, but it still will give you a lot of volume. Yeah, so this is it. This is basically it. There's nothing else to it. Okay, so let me just turn around. I hope this looks decent. Let's just see. Alright, sweeties, I hope you will enjoy the wrap. I certainly do, because I love stuff that can be done with the sari scarves and with harmony scarves. As you know, my whole heart beats for these kinds of scarves, because they do give volume and they're super light and they're unique like all of us are, you know? And I love the concept of creating something that is made by something that is unique. So yeah, anyway, I really hope that you enjoy it. And it is just so easy. It's just really one knot and then just flip it over to the other side, tuck it away, and you're done. So if you want to order something from Wrapunzel, of course you can use my code, which is Queen Leorah, in all caps, in one word. It will give you 5% of your order. It is affiliated, just so you know. And besides that, you will find, of course, everything linked in the description box. Just know that right now, of course, also Wrapunzel needs to see where the new supplies will come from. So if there is something that is not available as of right now, then please understand that we're all, of course, in a crazy time right now, okay? So anyway, you can, of course, use whatever you have at home to just enjoy what you're doing and use what you have. That's also fine, all right? So besides that, I would, of course, love if you were to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you here next time for my next video, which is going to be super soon. And up until then, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.